Hey, what's up? I'm opening up another mystery box. Amazon. I bought 24 boxes for about $900. Everything in here is almost brand new. The food could be out of date a couple of days, maybe a couple of months. But everything else, all the clothes, toys, brand new. Hey, we're going to open up the box. See what we got. All right. First item we have is Christmas gnomes. Here we go. We have some massage bubble slide sandals. They're like the Incredible Hulk. We have Happy 10th Birthday banner. Another Christmas gnomes. Uh-oh. All right. Let's see what else. $25-piece Halloween decorations. There are 25 pieces for Halloween. Lights, little white lights. Looks like it's battery operated. That's different. Okay. This is I have no idea what this is for. It doesn't say. Some kind of iPad or something. Ooh. A woman's cycling extra large coat. That's nice. Brand new, package sealed. Still has the tags. We have some disgusting what are these? Tattoos maybe? But disgusting. There's a few of them in there. Some false nails. Need some fake nails. $12-piece poinsettia. Red. Christmas time. I have no idea what this is. It's a bird puzzle. Gem accessories. I guess it's like a bird. I have no idea. Last two things. Happy birthday balloons. Silver balloons made in China. You got balloons and everything else in there. And last but not least, we have So Nice. They glow in the dark. I don't know, maybe for a 3D printer. I'm not sure what they're for. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Like it, share it. Hit all the icons. If there's anything you like, you want to buy outright, email me at pawtucket48yahoo.com. My email will be on the bottom of the video. And if you want to buy anything off eBay, or if you can check eBay out and get back to me about what you want to buy. All right, my eBay will be on the bottom of the video also. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time.